from just looking at it?
We just looked at it and did it that way.
Okay.
So
I determined that the degrees of freedom for question 5 is 6.
wait, are you talking about the homework?
I'm talking about the quiz.
I don't remember asking about that.
Can you look at the answers? Or
Yeah,
are you already out of it?
yeah, let me pull it up really quick. Are you taking chapter 18?
Maybe I'm on 19.
Yeah, because I don't think we did anything with degrees of freedom.
I wonder why I was so confused. How did I even get here? Oops. Let me see if I can go back. No wonder I'm so lost. Like, even through the homework, I have not been able to figure it out because I skipped the whole section.
So funny.
Not funny.
That does suck.
So stupid.
I'm trying to pull up.
It can't be too different from lesson 19.
Hey, if you know 19, maybe 18 will be easy.
So, this is stupid. The quiz is due tonight, right? Is that true?
I think so. Yeah. It won't let me pull up my quiz unless I redo it, but I can still help you get the answers if you just like read me the questions.
So when it's talking about P1 and P2, what does that mean?
So P1 will just be the proportion of, I think it says on there, it says the proportion of girls that can taste the PCT.
PTC?
Yeah, PTC, and so you'll just take like the number of girls that can taste it over all of the girls, and then for P2 it'll be the number of boys that can take it over
all the boys.
All the boys, yeah.
So when it says use the data in the table to find P hat 1, then that's what I do.
Yeah, exactly.
So I do like 50 divided by 70 or whatever.
Whatever the numbers are.
So did you guys get like 0.743?
Yes, that was it.
And then for the P2, it's... So it's asking for yes, though, right? The ones who can taste it.
Yeah.
And then 0.712.
Yeah.
Okay. So P1 equals P2, and then P1 doesn't equal P2. Or is it with the P hats?
It is just the P's because it's like you're trying to find out what it is for the whole population.
Right. Wow, 20 questions?
Yeah.
Blah.
I know. It was just hard because Chad and I just kept getting different answers. So it was like we had to keep redoing it.
Did he really just get his gallbladder out?
I don't know if he just got it out, but I guess he did get it out at some point.
Okay, so when it says create a 95% confidence interval, I need to do like the confidence interval formula with those numbers.
Yeah, so let me pull it up really quick so I can show you which one we use.
Okay, I need my notes. So it'll probably be p hat minus z, or not, because
So the first question wanted you to find what was it, the point estimate?
yes, for the 95% confidence interval.
Yeah, so the point estimate, what was that one? Let me see.
I'm thinking if I'm gonna get the point estimate, I'd have to do the z-score.
I'm already forgetting everything. Hold on, let me think. The point estimate. Let me ask Chad in the group text.
I'm thinking you'd have to do the z-score, but if you're doing P1 and P2, hold on. So it says create a 95% confidence interval for P1 minus P2.
Yeah, so that one we did the equation where it's like z times the square root of, and then it has P1, 1 minus P over N, plus P2, 1 minus P2 over N2.
Is that a new formula from the reading?
Yeah.
I should probably just go read it since I read the wrong one.
Here, let me screen share.
You look pretty today.
Oh, thanks. I actually tried to do my hair, but
it looks good.
Thanks. Okay, do you see this right here?
Where's your mouse?
Here, let me.
Oh, I see it now.
This one?
Yes.
That's what I'm using, but we're just using like this part.
Just, okay. So you don't do the P1 minus P2 part.
Well, I guess, so what we did was we did the, this part, the Z part, was to find the margin of error. And then I think the point estimate is P1 minus P2.
Okay.
Because that's, and then you do, because that's why you would add and subtract the whole Z thing to get the upper and lower bounds.
Ouch. So I do like 0.743 minus 0.712, and that would be my 95. That wouldn't really work though, because it says, what is the point estimate for the 95% confidence interval? So I'd have to use 1.96 somewhere in there. Wouldn't I?
Well, yeah, but not until you find the margin of error. Just the point estimate is just P1 minus P2.
Okay. Did you get 0.031?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
And then the margin of error, I need to do the second part here.
Yeah.
And then for the upper and lower, no, margin of error is different. Okay. So P1 0.743, I believe. Oh, square root 0.743 times 1 minus 0.743. Oh man, divided by one, which was the total girls.
Yeah.
And then parentheses plus the square root of 0.712 times 1 minus 0.712 divided by 59. And that's it. Did you get 0.891?
I don't think so. It doesn't sound familiar. Let me do it again really quick.
Oh, I forgot to times it by the z-score.
Oh yeah, do that and see what you get.
196 and then times the bracket, right?
Yeah.
Ah, I'm sorry to make you help me.
No, it's okay.
Divided by 70 plus square root of 0.712 and minus 0.712 by 59. Okay, does 2.459 sound better?
No, I think the answer was 0.154. So
Okay, can you show your screen one more time?
yeah, make sure you're not taking the square root of each of those. You add them and then you take the square root of both of those.
Really?
I don't know if you did that or not, but that's the mistake I made.
Yeah, I did that. So just keep the square root over the whole thing. Don't make another one.
Right, so hold on, let me share
And
this again.
6 times the square root 0.743 1 minus 0.743
Okay, here, I have it up here.
70 plus 0.712 1 minus 0.712 divided by 59. I got 0.1684.
Close.
1.684. So you're saying I don't need to do z times, I just do z and then the square root.
So you'll do, so you need to find the p1 minus p over n for both of them. Then you add those together, take the square root of the sum of those, and then times them by 1.96.
You gotta do it backwards.
I mean, I don't know. I did it on paper just because it was easier for me because I would have messed up on the calculator, you know?
So you're saying you found P1, 1 minus P1 divided by N1, and then you put that aside, and then you did the same thing for the other one, and then you added them together, and then you took the square root of them, and then you times it by 1.96.
Exactly.
Okay, I'll try that.
Okay.
Ah. 0.154.
Woohoo! Good job.
Oh yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, so now the lower bound. So is there a new formula for that too?
No, so you'll just take the point estimate, 0.031, and then add and minus the
The
point.
margin.
Yeah.
All right. Minus the margin of error. Okay.
Mhm.
So the lower bound, I got a negative.
Yeah, it should be negative 0.123.
Yeah.
Yep.
And then the upward bound, 0.185.
Yep.
Do we know what the p-value is to compare it to?
Oh no, we have to get it first.
So I got to do the z-score.
Yeah.
So,
That formula is different. It's like crazy.
okay. Can I see it?
Yeah. Let me pull it up. Hold on. Okay, so it's this one right here.
Okay.
And for P1 minus P2 on the top without the little caret thing, that's just going to be 0.
Oh, word.
And then for the bottom, since it doesn't say whether it's P1 or P2, what you do is you take, let's see, it says you do, hold on, I'm making sure I'm reading this right. Yeah, so you take the proportion of females who can taste it and plus the proportion of males who can over the entire population.
Okay.
That's how you get that bottom P.
So I do 52 plus 42 is 94. Oh, it's already on there. 94 divided by 129. Is that what you did?
Yeah, I think so.
So the P is 0.729.
That sounds right. So then you would, since it's over, you would fail to reject.
Okay, hold on. So
Or I guess that's the Z, or that's the Z, sorry. Did you get the entire thing yet?
no, because I had to do the other calculation.
Yeah. Okay, go ahead and do the, but by the way, I'm pretty sure it's failed to reject, so.
One divided by 70. Oops, plus 1 divided by 59. Did you get 0.031?
For the Z score?
Yeah.
I don't remember. You can try plugging it into the applet.
I got 0.9753. That doesn't really. Yeah, 0.975.
I don't remember what it is, but I remember that we rejected it. So I guess yours you would reject. So
Well,
or fail to reject. Sorry.
oh yeah, failed to reject. I'm like, I wouldn't reject with that answer.
Yeah.
So the answer is failed to reject?
Right.
Then no. So would it be A? There is insufficient evidence to suggest that the true population or proportion of females who can taste PTC is less than the true proportion of males who can taste PTC.
No, I think it isn't. It should
Oh,
be
it's different.
different. Yeah.
That's right. Let P1 be the proportion of patients who had a heart attack and were admitted on a weekday. And who died? Weekday who died is P1.
Mhm.
And P2, weekend who died. Okay. Okay. And let's see. 1, 2, 1 times 1 is 1. It's satisfied, right?
Yeah.
Less than. So I would do P1 equals P2 and P1 is less than P2.
Right.
P1 1673 divided by 1185119. So for P1, did you get 0.141?
Yeah.
Do you have these
I think
written
so.
down?
I have like a scratch paper of like work, and I have that number on here, so I'm assuming it's right.
And then 0.145.
Yeah. That's right.
The z-score.
So now you have to do what we just did for the other one for this one.
Can you show me it one more time?
Yeah.
This is going to be a fun test, isn't it?
Right. Okay. Here it is.
When do we have to meet again to go over the next part of our thing?
I don't think we have to do anything this week, right? Because I think people are adjusting theirs if they didn't get approved.
Oh, really?
I
Did
thought
she
I
say
saw
anything?
something like that.
Oh, because she didn't say anything about ours.
Yeah, I think we're good,
We're so perfect.
right? Well, it's funny too because she sent out an email and she's like, anyone who did an experiment with the M&Ms, we had to not approve it.
That's too bad.
I know.
Okay, so I need to take this one number and divide it by the.
Yeah,
Hold
so
on.
first solve for the bottom piece. So it should be the number of patients who died on the weekday plus the number of patients who died on the weekend over the total amount of all patients.
Okay. Did you get something like 42447? Let me try again.
Well, it should be divided by, so you should get a decimal.
Well, it had a decimal after it, but that's a really big number.
Yeah, no, it should be like point something.
Divided by 118,519. Okay, 0.142.
0.142?
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's right.
Thanks for zooming in.
Yeah, I was like, that's super far.
Okay, so let's see. P1, which is minus 5. And then that's 0 again, right?
Right.
Divided by square root of 0.142 to 1 divided by, it's a big number, n1 Just the total of weekday is N1, right?
Yes.
Plus 1 divided by... Did you get a negative 0.004
For what part of it?
for the z-score?
Negative 0.004.
Yeah,
Um,
I would think so because listen. And then my number was 0.498. And that's still less than 0.5. So you would reject the null. But do you remember if your z-score was negative 0.004?
Well, we got one question wrong, and the one we got wrong was our z-score, but somehow we still got the same we got our p-value right, so I'm not really sure how that works.
Oh, that's weird. What was your p-value?
I think it was like 0.021 or something like that. Could be totally wrong, but if you want, I can you can show me your screen and I can try doing it over again.
How would I show you my screen? Like, how would that help? What do you mean?
Just so I can see the numbers, so I can calculate it.
Oh, the numbers that I got?
No, just the numbers on the question, because I don't have it up.
Oh, that's right. Okay, let me try. Did you just share the desktop?
What?
Can you see it?
Oh, yeah, I can see it.
Okay, so here's these numbers. And
Okay.
then tell me when you want me to scroll down to get the P numbers.
Okay, hold on. Wait, hold on. For some reason, like, when I click on it, it's, like, black. Hold on. Can you just talk for a second so it...
Yeah. I'm going to try it again.
Okay, it's working now. So you can pull it up. There we go.
Okay. So I'm going to need to do 0.141 minus 0.145.
Uh-huh.
0 divided by the square root of p, which I got as 0.142. 1 minus 0.142 times 1 over the big number times 1 over the big number, which is, one of them is 118519 and the other one is 42447. What else do you need to see?
That's it. Hold on. What was the... Oh, never mind. It was 0.142, right? That p-value?
Yeah. I keep getting the same answer.
Okay, hold on.
But I'm going to see if I need to add something.
I almost have an answer.
What?
Was the caret P2 or caret P2 0.145?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. I got negative 2.023.
Did you put, where did you put your parentheses?
I did. I found the number within the square root first, and then took the square root of that, wrote it down, and then did a .0 or negative point. What was it? 004 divided by that bottom number. So I did it weird again.
Seems to work that way, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, because every way that I do it, I'm getting the same answer. So I'm going to try it your way.
I'm just going to open my quiz because I have one more attempt, and I got that one wrong anyway, so I'm going to just try it again.
Was your number on top negative 0.004?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know why I'm getting that as my final number then. It's kind of weird.
So you need to divide that number by whatever you got on the bottom.
I got negative 0.001. I don't know why.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, wait. I think I might have forgot to square root the bottom. Negative 0.002.
My z-score was negative 2.023.
I don't know what my deal is.
Maybe okay, let's see. Hold on. So let's figure out the bottom first. So if you do 1 minus 0.142, right, times 0.142.
Did you get 0.979836?
For just that part, no.
Okay.
Or did you already times it by the 1 over n?
Okay, I got 0.121836.
Yes, that's good. Okay, now times that by double parentheses.
Double parentheses?
Yeah, so you'll do parentheses, parentheses, 1 divided by
118519.
Yeah, 118519.
And then parentheses.
Right, and then plus parentheses 1 divided by
42447. And then double parentheses.
Yeah. And so then you should end up with 0.0000038982.
I did not get that.
Oh, really?
What the heck?
That's so weird.
Hold on. Actually, that means that, huh? That's 6 zeros before the 3. Okay, I got 6 zeros and then 3, 8, 9.
Yeah, so then take this square root of that.
Hold on.
So square root of hold on. Square root of 0.00000388982.
Oops. 1 sec.
Okay.
0.000000389. 389 what? 82.
Yeah.
Okay.
What'd you get?
0.00006243.
I think you put an extra 0 in the other number.
I put 6 zeros. How many should there be?
There should be 5.
Whoops. Point 0.00000388982. Okay. 0.00197.
Yes. So then do negative 0.004 divided by 0.00197436.
And that gives me the right number. Okay. That was annoying.
I know, that kind of sucked. So that should be negative, what, 2?
0.024. And then I got, hold on, I better put that in. Negative 2.024. And then I shade to the left, and my p-value is 0.0215.
Wait, why did I get negative 2.026 this time? That doesn't make, that's what I got the first time and we got it wrong. Okay, so it should be negative 2.023 or 4?
Well, it says 3 and then there's a 9 after it, so then I just rounded it to 4.
Okay, I think that's right. So then your p-value is going to be 0.0215.
Yeah. And so then we reject the null and say that there is sufficient evidence to conclude as less than.
So that is the
C.
C. Can you read me starting from number 3 to 11?
Yeah. 0.743.
Okay.
0.712. A.
Mm-hmm.
0.031. 0.154. Negative 0.123. 0.185. Failed to reject HO.
Okay, hold on.
Sorry.
That's okay. Was number 9 0.185?
Yeah.
And then 10 was failed to reject null.
11 is D.
Okay, that's all I need.
Okay.
All right, do you want to submit it and see if we got everything right?
Yeah. I missed the Z-score one.
Yeah. See, I can't get that one right. We got it wrong last time, too.
It's weird.
So weird. Wait, what'd you put?
Negative 2.024. Yeah.
Try, I can read you the answers again. Try negative 2.023.
I don't know why that would make a difference, but okay.
Because that's what I got this time.
Okay.
Did you get anything else wrong?
No. Oh, I got the first one wrong because I clicked that I did not complete the preparation assignment.
Oh.
but that's my fault because I read the wrong thing.
You completed
Okay.
a preparation assignment.
I did A one, but not that one, yeah. The next one's kind of tricky because you have to put in the data by yourself instead of having the SPSS things that you download.
Oh, yeah.
It's hard. I can't get the numbers right.
Okay,
Okay.
I just checked my answers. That was right.
You did 2, 3?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So can you start from the beginning on 3?
Mm-hmm. All right. It's going to be 0.743, 0.712, A, 0.031, 0.154, negative 0.123, 0.185, A, B, yeah, true, D, 0.141, 0.145, negative 2.023, to the left, 0.0215. Oh, I guess I put an extra decimal in there. Wait, what? And it counted it? That's weird. It says round to 3 decimals.
Yeah, that is weird. Oh well.
Okay, reject the null, and then C.
Dude, thank you so much.
Oh yeah, no problem.
I had like the worst thing happen to me today, so that was really
Oh.
She's your expert, Kaylee?
Yeah, she's an expert.
Take her out to dinner.
Huh?
He said we should take you guys out to dinner next time we come up.
Where are you guys at right now?
We're in Ogden.
Ogden, that's right.
Do you like looking at yourself?
It's a little trippy.
I don't know how to turn it off.
No, I think you got it.
Oh, okay. Okay. Thank you. And
Yeah, I'll post it. I already posted the other one, so I'll just post this one again and then say we did another meeting or whatever.
Okay. Thank you.
Yep, no problem. See you
Talk to
later.
you later.
Bye.